Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Duo won't come to pressure and the float valve won't rise, your unit can't build the steam needed to cook. Here's how to fix it and get cooking. Step 1. Check the steam release handle position. The handle on top of the lid must be turned to sealing. If it's set to venting, steam escapes and pressure can't build. Turn the handle clockwise until it stops. You'll feel it lock into the sealing position. Step 2. Check your liquid level. The Instant Pot Duo needs thin, water-based liquid to create steam. For the 3-quart model, add at least 250 milliliters. For the 6-quart model, add at least 375 milliliters. For the 8-quart model, add at least 500 milliliters. Thick sauces, tomato paste, and dairy do not create steam. Use water, broth, or stock. Step 3. Check the sealing ring. Open the lid and look at the silicone ring around the inside edge. The ring must sit completely inside the groove with no gaps or twists. If the ring is loose, press it firmly into place all the way around. If the ring is cracked, stretched, or damaged, replace it. I've linked Instant Pot replacement sealing rings in the description. Step 4. Check the float valve. The float valve is the small pin on the lid. It must move freely up and down. Gently press it with your finger. If it sticks, remove the silicone cap from underneath the lid and clean both pieces with warm soapy water. Dry them completely and reinstall the cap by pushing it firmly onto the bottom of the float valve. Step 5. Check the anti-block shield. The anti-block shield is the silver cap on the underside of the lid. Remove it by pressing up from the side. Check the steam release pipe underneath for food debris. Clean it with warm soapy water and a small brush. Snap the shield back into place. If your Instant Pot Duo still won't come to pressure after these checks, contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description. If this helped you get your Instant Pot Duo to pressure and start cooking, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need replacement sealing rings, I've linked the official Instant Pot ones below. They fit perfectly and last 12 to 18 months. Thanks for watching, and now you can seal the deal.